Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Ultimate Video Picks. I'm Noah, and today, we're tackling a topic that affects many of us at some point: headaches and migraines. If you've ever been knocked down by the relentless pain, you know how crucial it is to have effective remedies on hand. Join me as we explore the best do-at-home solutions to ease headaches and migraines. Let's dive in. Before we jump into remedies, it's important to understand what might be causing your headaches or migraines. Dehydration, stress, lack of sleep, and certain foods can trigger these painful episodes. Identifying the root cause can help in preventing them in the future. First up, hydration. Dehydration is a common headache trigger. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Additionally, consider incorporating magnesium-rich foods like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens into your diet, as magnesium deficiency has been linked to migraines. Sometimes, the best remedy is simply rest and relaxation. Find a quiet, dark room, close your eyes, and practice deep breathing or meditation. Giving yourself a break from external stimuli can work wonders in relieving headache symptoms. Another classic remedy is using a hot or cold compress. Apply a cold pack to your forehead for 15 minutes to reduce inflammation, or use a warm compress to relax tense muscles. Experiment and see which works best for you. Essential oils can be a game changer. Peppermint and lavender oils, in particular, are known for their headache-relieving properties. Dilute a couple of drops with a carrier oil and gently massage onto your temples. For some, caffeine can provide relief. A cup of coffee or tea may help constrict blood vessels and alleviate headache symptoms. However, be mindful not to overdo it, as caffeine withdrawal can also lead to headaches. Over-the-counter pain relievers like acetaminophen, ibuprofen, or aspirin can also be effective. Always follow the recommended dosage and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or conditions. Lastly, consider preventive measures. Keep a consistent sleep schedule, manage stress through techniques like yoga or meditation, and identify and avoid trigger foods. A proactive approach can significantly reduce the frequency of headaches and migraines.